Peugeot 207cc, 1.6 litre petrol, micro V-belt replacement, or V-belt, or pulley belt, or serpentine belt. First, you locate the tension on the front, put a big spanner on, then you pull it. Once you pull it towards you, you have to push this pin with a spring in to locate it. You can see I sprayed some penetrating oil on it, so I'll try. There you go, because it was stiff. Now that tensioner, it's slackened off. Now we can jack the car up, take the wheel off. Right, once it's jacked up and secured and wheel off, we have to remove inner wheel arch liner. It's got a few of these plastic clips. Very simple. Just get flat screwdriver to the center part, pull that out a bit, grab for the center part, and it comes out. So it's one is there, one is inside there, one is up here, there's another one inside there. Then here we got T15 Torx screw just below this joint between bumper and wheel arch, and there are another couple of these plastic clips underneath, right there underneath the bumper. So this. Here, right, by removing that thing on the top, I actually release the belt down. This is AC compressor here. This section here, it's another wheel that takes the power off the belt from here and transfer it to this pulley on the other side there behind. So this pulley here is not run by belt, it's run by this wheel that goes tight against the belt. So we need to release that wheel now. Right, now this is the bit that is quite hard to do from the front of the vehicle, from the bonnet side, because these little tensioners here, you really need to have access from this side. This tensioner, it's not just a tension, it's actually transfer wheel from crankcase pulley to water pump pulley. So even when your belt breaks for any reason, your water pump is still operational, which is very critical for the engine. Now I pulled out this, there's a tab up here, up on the top. You have to just pull that out, and then once it gets to there, just like slacky, you have to pull it a bit further. Just keep in mind, everything is plastic, it might be brittle, so don't go mad on it. And then as you pull it a bit further, you can see what's happening with that tensioner, with that wheel. It just drops down. So now I'm gonna need two hands to remove this belt. So it's running now. So if I pull this tab down, I can release and push this pulley aside, and the belt comes off nice and easy. Then I take a new belt, just rough compare it to old one, to the size. Yeah, it looks okay. Then new belt will come on. So again, I pull the little tab, release down this transfer wheel. I need to do a bit more. That's it. First put pulley onto the crankshaft pulley, the belt on the crankshaft pulley, and then this little tab that we pulled out, push it all the way back in and make sure that that's secured. Or actually, whilst we're here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to release it again, pull it down, and just give a turn to the water pump pulley with the finger, just to see how easy it's turning. It's turning nice and easy. There is no any slacking. It's nice and solid. That's good. I just wanted to check the water pump. That is all good. Now that goes back on, nice and tight. Make sure it's engaged, and then we can route this pulley up on the alternator and then down onto AC pump. And just double check, yeah, it's all on. So we can see that's there, that's around the AC pump, it's up on the alternator. Now we can release the tension. Right, tension on this belt tensioner. So what's going wrong with my camera? There it is. So I'll just have to release, and that's it, because this little spring pushed the pin out as I released it. And just going to double check that all the grooves are sitting on properly, and they look all good. The belt is nicely tensioned. Just make sure that this transfer pulley is all there. It is. It's all good. So now all what's left is to put a cover back on, wheel on, job done. But before I do that, I'm just going to turn the engine on and just make sure that that transfer pulley is actually engaged nice and proper. And just let's have a look at the old belt. Outside of the belt looks okay. Inside of the belt, it's really bad. You can see how bad that is.